Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use find and replace option on your LibreOffice document on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the find and replace option in your LibreOffice writer, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you can just click on the view option, or you can just use the edit option on the top, and here you can find a find and replace option. The shortcut key was Ctrl plus H. If you just Ctrl plus F, which only shows a find, and Ctrl plus H for find and replace, just click on this, and now you can just select the text you just need to find. So here I'm just going to change the and to the and symbol. So I'm just going to copy this and just paste this here. Now you can find click by next, and I'm just going to replace this with and symbol like this. So first, if I just need to replace one sentence, you can just click on this, find it like find previous, find next, like that, and click on option to replace. So I just need to replace every and word on the document. You can just use replace all. I'm just going to click it, replace all, so every and will be replaced with this and symbol. This is how you just find and replace on your LibreOffice writer. You can have other options like command, regular, extra options. You can find all of find previous and find replace and replace all options. So this is how you just find and replace on your LibreOffice writer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.